Hello viewers, we are back again. Now we are going to show you how to replace the M.O.B. This M.O.B, man overboard. So this is the man overboard M.O.B with light and smoke. So we are going to remove now the M.O.B. This is, we unscrew below, then just only pull it up. Okay, easy, be careful. Remove the rope. Now there is the new one. The new man overboard. Unscrewing the end part.
Wala ko ng giya doon, ha.
This is also showing for those with third mate license, and it's going also to be promoted as a third officer, because this is important for the third officer that he knows how to replace M.O.B. Now already unscrew. Remove now the cap, unscrew the cap, then remove the special this clamp. So before they will put the new one, they are going to clean up the old base, because it is stainless and this is more easy to use to replace the old one. Because if we are going to use the base of the new one, we will have plenty of time to reassemble again the bracket. So now they are going to the engine room to clean up this base frame. So guys, here are the guys with license. So they are all with license, so they are also training at the same time. They are training now, trainee. They are the trainee here. So we are going to show you how to replace the old to new one. So we have here the old bracket, the new bracket and the old bracket. So we are going to use the old bracket for us not to make any drills anymore. So this is the new bracket. So we're going to remove the M.O.B from the new bracket, and we will put in the old bracket. So here, Mr. Clyde, Mr. Dahang, Miss J. Miss J, where are you? Oh yeah, this is Miss J, the lady in green. need to be careful because we must not break this end part, because if you break this one, smoke will emit immediately. So we're going to test this light so we can see if it's working. Mr. Clyde, please press. So the light now is working. It means that it's very good, in good condition, new one.
A few moments later.
Now Mr. Clyde is okay, putting now the M.O.B. Now we will unscrew the cap. Unscrew the cap, then place it, then cap it again. Yeah, screw again the cap. Okay. Now we will put the bolt. The lock washer must be outside and the washer will be inside. Yeah, this okay. This is the lock washer here. So in order to prevent from releasing, from unscrewing. Oh, tighten. Now we are going to tighten this screw. Now Mr. Clyde, also future third officer. So guys, this man overboard, the purpose of this one, if someone falls this, you must release this immediately. Release from this hook, this will break and smoke will emit, and once this is in the water, it will immediately lit up. So this will serve as the marker where the guys who fall overboard serve as marker. So this is the purpose, and also together with life buoy. Yeah, this that's why we tie it, the life buoy, to the man overboard, M.O.B. Now we are going to connect the line from the life buoy. And also we use another rope for safety. For safety. Yan.
Tama ba, sir? Alis kayo dyan para makuha na sir. Ito kasi para makuha na.
So it's only slide, insert, slide. Okay, tingnan. Show me how you put it. Remove your arms, Clyde. Okay, now it's already fixed. Now tighten the screw below. Butterfly nut below.
Ito, boss.
So now Mr. Clyde, the future third officer, is tightening the butterfly nut in order not to hip up. You cannot move it, so you cannot slip it again. You cannot hip it, to tighten in order for safety, not to fall. Now it's already ready. You can now remove the safety line. So this for the safety. Maybe it will slip in your hands, it will fall, so there is safety line to prevent from the man overboard from falling. So guys, so this is the pin. If you release this pin, the life buoy will roll down. Then after, the man overboard will also follow, because the weight of this life buoy is about 5 kg. So the weight is different from the different life buoy, because we need heavy life buoy here in order to pull the man overboard. So thank you guys for watching my YouTube vlog.
M.O.B.
So this and Mr. Third Officer, Boson, all these guys with third mate license and future third officer, they are highly recommended for third officer. Shout out sa mga, to all the guys from the engine side. Shout out sa kanila. Those engine crew, they are not present, but shout out to Mr. Froilan. Request from your wife.